Good morning. We are going to talk about the original Cakerie commodity presentation. This group is composed for Carla Talamejo, Joshua Shurubio, Shelby Luzbon, and I, Marlene Lorenzo. Original Cakerie is Canada's large frozen dessert manufacturer with a broad distribution network in North America. The company is known for its passion for creating truly superior desserts with high quality and clean labels as its identity. The original Cakerie delivers scratch baking on a commercial scale. The slogan is, "No mixes have ever been used in its over 40 years history, and they never will be." Today, the company operates two state-of-the-art facilities, one in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, and the other in London, Ontario. The original Cakerie is proved to be part of the Dessert Holding, a group of premium dessert company providing chef-inspired top-quality dessert. Their high-grade AABRC certificate rating, professionally trained team, manufacturing experience, and excellence in automation, we have the commodity and requirements. As a cakery company, some of the essential commodities are dairy products such as milk. Milk must meet some requirements such as freshness, quality, source, storage conditions, and safety standards. Freshness provide the short time delivers with their expiration dates to ensure quality and safety. Quality, milk free from egg and protein, and any sign of harmful bacteria, antibiotics, or hormones. A storage condition is about the specific warehouse conditions where the products repose until their transportation to the cakery plant. All trucks used for the transportation are climatized with controlled refrigeration that allows freshness and integrity to the product purchased. Safety standards. In Ontario, Canada, milk safety is regulated by the Ontario Minister of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs, and the Canadian Food Inspection Agency. Safety standards for milk include proper pasteurization, adherence to a strict hygiene practice during milking and processing, regular testing for contaminants, and other regulations. And the source is used about choose the best provider who accomplish all these requirements, as we are going to describe after.
There are 7 forms of milk, one being milk or whole milk, partly skimmed milk, cream, buttermilk, whey, and whey cream. The 6 types that are classified as milk products means that it's mixed with another ingredient such as water, whereas milk or whole milk is just strictly milk. Milk is divided into 2 different grading systems here in Canada. Canada 1, for milk to be graded as Canada 1, it must meet the requirements from the chart below and additional standards. Canada 2 must also meet the majority of the requirements specified for Canada 1 grade milk. The exception for Canada 2 lies in the flavor and odor upon reconstitution. For milk to be graded as Canada 1, it must exhibit uniformity in both composition, color, devoid of any hard lumps, and present as either white or cream colored. The milk must be devoid of visible black or brown particles. Reconstituted milk must possess a flavor and odor deemed unobjectable and free of pH adjusting agents is prohibited. On the other hand, Canada 2 has the exception in which it lies in the flavor and odor upon reconstitution, which they're allowed to have due to the lack of freshness to a certain degree. So some of the technical terms that we may cover are commercial sterility, and it refers to the state achieved in a dairy product through the utilization of heat treatment either independently or in conjunction with other methods. High-grade AA BRC certified rating, as Marilyn stated earlier, is the highest rating given to a product in compliance with the BRC global standards, food packaging and materials storage and distribution consumer products. Antibodies are a protein that protects antigens found in human and milk, and vitamins A and D are fat-soluble vitamins that promote healthy eyes and bones that are required in Canada. Additionally, as Marilyn stated, A1 and A2 proteins. Both of these are beta-casein proteins, that most common forms of casein. Casein is a protein that is found in milk and makes up about 80% of the total protein content in milk. A1 is generally high in milks from cow breeds that originate from the northern Europe, whereas A2 is high in cow breeds that originated in the Channel Islands in southern France. Regular milk contains both A1 and A2 proteins. However, A2 milk only carries A2. Currently, there are studies showing that A2 is actually better for digestion.
So we identified 4 types of suppliers that could be suppliers for the original Cakerie. Because of the requirements of the milk in Canada and the regulations here, although some of the suppliers are global companies, they are all from Canadian farms. So the first supplier that we identify is Agropur. Agropur is a chosen dairy manufacturer of some of the world's most prominent food, beverage, and nutrition brands. It's a North America dairy industry leader, and the cooperative has 3,000 members. All these members are in Canada, and more than 7,000 employees. They process nearly 7 billion liters of milk per year at 30 plants across North America. They have their headquarters in the US, but all the farmers are here in Canada. And in the next slide, we will explain why we chose Agropur. So we chose Agropur because of the location and distribution network. So because Agropur has an extensive distribution network with strategically located facilities, including Ontario and British Columbia, we feel that Agropur can meet the distribution needs of the original Cakerie effectively. We also choose because of infrastructure and asset. Agropur operates state-of-the-art facilities equipped with advanced technology and automation, ensuring consistency and efficiency in production. And also because of the compliance and sustainability, Agropur's commitment to environmental responsibility align with the original Cakerie values. And in 2006 and 2017, Agropur was ranked Canada's most trusted dairy brand by the Gustavson Brand Trust Index from University of Victoria. The next one that we see as a supplier for the original Cakerie is also a global company, is Lactalis Canada. Lactalis Canada is part of Lactalis Group, the world's first dairy group. And Lactalis Group is a family-owned global business with over 80,000 employees, and it operates in more than 50 countries. Lactalis Canada has more than 140 years and operating 30 sites nationwide. The company brands include some of the well-known brands, Crackle Barrel, Black Diamond, and etc. Lactalis Canada sources more than 2.1 billion liters of milk from Canadian dairy farms every year. And we choose Lactalis in the next slide, also because of the location and distribution network. With a presence in over 100 countries, including Canada, Lactalis has a robust distribution network that can efficiently supply dairy products to the original Cakerie facilities. The infrastructure and asset. So Lactalis operates modern facilities equipped with advanced technology for dairy processing, and also because of the organic dairy ingredients. So the Lactalis certified no-GMO project, and is also USDA organic, which allows the finished goods to be exported to the USA while being certified organic in both in the US and Canada. The next one, we chose 2 global companies, and now we chose also 2 local companies. So we have Organic Milldown. Organic Milldown Cooperative is an organic farmers cooperative based in Ontario. The co-op began in '89 when a small group of Ontario farmers decided to commit to a gentle way of growing food. Today, organic milk is owned by over 100 families, producing a wide variety of organic foods, including organic milk, butter, yogurt, cheese, eggs, and frozen vegetables. We chose organic milk because of the organic and sustainability practice. Organic milk is dedicated to organic farming practice, ensuring that its dairy products are produced without the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and genetically modified organisms. And also because of the WARD, so organic milk is certified as Canada Organic and Non-GMO Project verified, and as well because of the location and distribution. Organic milk facilities are strategically located in Ontario, Canada, providing convenient access to the original cake production sites in Ontario and British Columbia. The next one that we chose is also a smaller farm that calls Sheldon Creek Dairy. Sheldon Creek Dairy is dedicated to providing high-quality dairy products sourced from their family farm located in Ontario, Canada. Their range of milk products offer customers a taste of freshness and purity straight from the farm to their tables. Sheldon Creek is a small-scale facility with 65 home-breed cows, and as they are the only 100% H2 milk in Ontario market. And as Shelby explained, H2 milk it's better for human digestion. And we chose Sheldon Creek because of the, as we show in the next slide, because of the sustainability farming practice. So Sheldon Creek Dairy is dedicated to sustainable and regenerative farming methods. The dairy farm follows environmentally friendly practices such as rotational grazing, soil health management, and minimal pesticide use. Their local sourcing, so that goes aligned with the values of the original Cakerie, and also their artisanal dairy products. Sheldon Creek Dairy is specialized in producing high-quality artisanal dairy products, including milk and cream. These products are made with care and attention to detail, resulting in a super taste and texture. And after research, we according to Organic Milk, that was the farm that we had answer about how the commodity is packaging for business. So milk and cream are available in 20-liter bags, purchased often by Cakerie to make their goods for retail sale.
The latest milk pricing trends in Ontario, Canada, based on Statistics Canada, dated April 3rd of 2024, exhibited a stable retail price per liter from October of 2023 up to February of this year, 2024. Overall, the fluctuations are very minimal and the prices are very stable. Next slide. Things that affect the pricing or availability of the product. The prices of the the prices of dairy commodities is slightly different from other agricultural commodities. The weather has a far smaller impact on the supply of dairy products, as the animals will produce milk in any weather type. The price of dairy commodities is the result of equilibrium of supply and demand and the impact of the numerous speculation on the exchange. Regulations are influencing dairy prices significantly. Although governments have started reducing their involvement in the dairy markets, there are two types of governmental influence in the dairy markets: the import-export limits and supported prices. The import and export limits control the supply in a country and can therefore exercise impact on price creation. Government-supported prices offer a minimum price for the producers and provide some security against extreme price drops. Reducing government involvement causes a high volatility and thus greater risk. The cost of feed has a direct effect on the price of dairy products. The feeding cost of the animals is a significant part of the total production cost of dairy products. A rise in the cost will therefore have a considerable impact on the final price of dairy commodities. Monitoring the price evolution of animal feeders can provide an indication of upcoming dairy prices. The increasing use of grains in the production of biofuels also influences the pricing of animal feeder as the grains are being divided between both parties.